very good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are doing fit and fine at your home. My dear students, do you remember what we have done in our last class? Can you recall that? We have learned about singular and plural, right? So what do you mean by singular? Singular means one, right? And plural means many. Yes? So before moving towards how to form words from singular to plural, let's do a quick recap of what we have done in our last class. Yes, in our last class we came to know that common names are the names that are given in general to the naming person, place, animal or thing. Yes, and common naming words can be singular, that is one, or plural, more than one, right? Okay, and in there we have also learned about singular naming words. So can you recall about what are the singular naming words? Singular naming words are the name given to a singular person, place, animal or thing. For an example, cat, pan, tree. Yes? Then again we came to learn about plural naming words. Yes, so what were the plural naming words? Plural naming words name more than one person, place, animal or thing. Yes, so can you tell me the examples? Examples are cat, cats. Yes, pan, pans. Yes, then what? Tree, trees. Yes, and also we have learned that many a time what we do, we only add as to make a word from singular to plural. Yes, so my dear students, what are the examples? We can sort out that. Yes, few examples are like cat, as we have done just now. So in cat, C-A-T, cat. Yes, so in there we can simply add as to it and make it plural, like C-A-T-S, cats. Yes, so how we have formed that from singular to plural? By only adding s. Yes, but my dear students, there are many singular words that cannot be formed plural only by adding s. Yes, we will learn about it today. Got it? So we will be doing this in our today's class. So let's see what is the objective of today's class. So the objective is to be able to learn how to change singular naming words to plural naming words by adding s or es. Yes? Got it? Okay. So let's begin our class. So my dear students, we have learned that most naming words are made plural by adding s to the ends of the words. Yes, we have learned that, right? How to frame a singular naming word by adding s at the end of the word to make it plural, and that are done mostly with the naming words. Yes, so let's see few examples where we can add s at the end of the words. Okay, so my dear students, let's see few examples now. Okay, so in here I have written 4 words. So what is the first word? Toy, where we have added a single s. So what it will be to frame the plural now? It will be toys, T-O-Y-S, toys. Yes, toy means singular and toys means plural. So how we have made that plural? By adding here s. Got it? So come, let's see the second example. Doll. Doll means one. Now we have to make it plural. So what we have added here? One single s. Yes, so what it will be now? Dolls. Yes, so we have framed again the singular noun, singular naming word to plural by adding s. Got it? Come to third, girl. Yes, girl means one. And how we can make that to plural now? By adding s. What it will be? Girls. Got it? Okay, number 4. Car. Car means one. Yes, how can we make that plural? By adding again s to it. So it will be cars. Yes, so my dear students, these all are the naming words. What naming word? Common naming words, where we have added s in it to make it plural. Yes, but my dear students, there are few exceptions where we can't add s at the end of words. Yes, in there we have to add es. Now we will learn about it. Got it? Okay. My dear students, just now we have talked about few exceptional words, yes, where we have to add es at the end of it. Yes, so let's see what are those words where we have to add es. Yes, my dear students, the words that ends with, first is what? S. Yes, the word that ends with s, o, or x. Yes, these letters at the end we add es. Got it? What we have to do now? We have to find out the words which ends with s, means the last letter is s, or the last letter is o, or the last letter is x. In that words we add what? Es. Let's see few examples how to make singular naming words that ends with s, o, or x to plural by adding what? Es. Okay, let's see now. So my dear students, let's see one example of the word that ends with letter O. Can you tell me a word that ends with O? Yes, what it is? It's a tomato. What it is? Tomato. So in this word, the last letter is O, right? So how can we make that plural now? As the word ends with the letter O, in here we will write down, we will add es to the word, right? So what it will be now? It will be tomatoes. Got it? Yes? From singular we have made it to plural. But as the word ends with the letter O at the end, in here we have added es to make it plural. Yes? So in here tomato. Tomato is one. One means singular. Yes, it is singular. As we have added es and we have made that plural. Plural means many. Yes? M-A-N-Y. Many. So it is the plural form of tomato. Tomato, tomatoes. Yes? So my dear students, we will be learning more examples of the words that ends with s and x. Yes? Okay, let's see the examples now.
So the first example here we have is again tomato, right? So the word tomato is singular here as we have done in the board. Remember? Okay. So when we add here es, so we get the plural form of tomato, which is tomatoes, right? Okay. So come to the next word now, potato. Can you see that? Okay, so the word potato here is singular, right? And the last letter of the word is O. So what we have to add here? We have to add ES to form the plural form of potato, which is potatoes. Got it? Come to the third word, buzz. So can you see the last letter of the word here? S. Right? So what the rule says, wherever S is there, even there we have to add ES. So buzz is the singular form. When we make it plural, that will be turned buses. Yes? Bus, buses. Got it? Okay. The fourth word is gas. Gas. So, gas is singular. Again, we have to form gas to the plural form. Yes, so how we can form that? By adding es to it. Right? So, what is the plural form? Gases. 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 Right? Hope you got it till here. Okay. So come to the fifth word, which is box. Box. So what is the last letter of the word? X. So yes, what we have to add here again? Es. Right? So what is the plural form of the word box? Boxes. Boxes. Yes? Okay. So the last word is fox. Fox. So we have to form to the plural form now. So what we have to do? We have to add here es. So what it will be? Foxes. 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 So my dear students, in here 6 words were given, right? And in here we can see the rules very clearly. We can understand the rules very clearly. Yes, like the words that ends with O, S or X. We have to add ES to form the plural form of the words given. Got it? Okay.
So my dear students, I hope you have understood the examples of the singular words that ends with O, S and X, how we have made them to plural by adding ES. Hope you have got that. So my dear students, let's move to the textual exercises. Yes, we'll do one textual exercise to check out what are the outcome of what we have learned. Yes, so my dear students, please turn to page number 23. Yes, we have already done exercise 3.1. So what we will do now? Exercise 3.2. So what is exercise 3.2? Write the plural forms of the given words. One is done for you. So here we have one hint too. So what is it? We add ES to the words ending in O, S and X to make them plural. So the hint is very helpful as we have already done this in our example. Yes, so let's see. One is already done. Zero. Z-E-R-O. So what is the plural of zero? Zeros. Yes. So what we have added here? E-S. Right? As the last letter of the word zero ends with O. In here we have added E-S. Got it? Okay, come to the second one now. What is the second word? Fox. F-O-X. So what we have to add here? As the last letter of the word ends with X. Again in here we have to add E-S. So what it will be? F-O-X plus E-S. What? Foxes. F-O-X-E-S. Foxes. Right? Come to the third now. Buffalo. Yes, so what is the last letter of the word? O. So what we have to add here again? E-S. S. BUFFALO plus ES is equal to buffaloes. So what will be the spelling now? BUFFALOES. Buffaloes. Got it? Come to the fourth word. So what is the fourth word? Bus. B-U-S. Bus. So what is the last letter of the word? In here is S. Yes. So what we have to add here? Again E-S. Right? So what will be? B-U-S plus E-S. So what is the outcome? What will be the plural form of bus? Buses. B-U-S-E-S. Buses. Got it? So let's check the words one more time. 0, zeros. Fox, foxes. Buffalo, buffaloes. Bus, buses. Got it? So I think you have learned where to add S, where to add E-S. Yes? Okay. So my dear students, here are two more exercises. Exercise 3.3 and exercise 3.4. So we will be doing exercise 3.3 and exercise 3.4 is your homework. Got it?
So my dear students, please come to exercise 3.3 now. So what is exercise 3.3? Fill in the blanks with the correct singular forms of the words in bracket. One is done for you. So what you have to do here? You have to just write down the singular form of the words that are given in the bracket. Right? So let's see the first example that is given for us. Ravi needed a dash, in bracket it's written potatoes, to make his dish. Right? So what will be the singular form of potatoes? It is potato. Right? Okay. So come to number 2 now. I gave Meena a dash. In bracket we have boxes. Right? So what is the singular form of boxes? It is box. B-O-X. Box. Right? So what is number 3 here? Number 3 is a dash. Mosquitoes sat on his arm. So what is the singular of mosquitoes? Mosquito. Right? So what is the spelling now? M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O. Mosquito. Right? A mosquito sat on his arm. Come to number 4. This dash octopuses has 8 arms. So what is the singular of octopuses? Octopus. Right? So what is the spelling again? O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. This octopus has 8 arms. Right? So what we have learned? We learned that we have to add ES to the words ending in O, S and X to make them plural. Right? Okay.
So my dear students, it's time to wrap up now. So what we have learned? Today we have learned how to make singular naming words that ends with O, S or X by adding ES to it to make it plural. Yes, and also we have done the textual exercises. So my dear students, what you have to do? You have to do exercise 3.4 as your homework. Yes, date and time I'll be giving in your group. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.